Land is the only source of the material life of the people. It provides food and shelter. It furnishes work and wealth. It is the basis of all production, of all development, of all security, of all growth. It is, in very truth, the root of our being.
Some very wise words from national hero Norman Washington Manley. And those words are still true. Land remains an important tool for human capital development.
You have a government that is committed to enabling our people to have ownership of the country of their birth and the land of their foreparents.
And the administration has been working through a series of programs to make this happen. The goal of building an ownership society has taken yet another step with the recent launch of the National Land Titling Program.
The launch of the National Land Titling Program gives a clear indication that this government means business when we say we are building an ownership society in Jamaica.
Under the program, some 45,000 land titles will be handed over to Jamaicans across the length and breadth of the island.
This program will bring together all the government agencies and stakeholders who are involved in the process of producing titles for land and homeowners across Jamaica.
The government agencies involved include the Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing, the Administrator General's Department, the National Land Agency, and the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries.
I'm also pleased that a coordinator has now been engaged to ensure the efficient and effective outcome of the program.
To facilitate the faster processing of land titles, government has also made changes to the Administrator General's Act. These measures follow other government programs for land ownership, which include a $90 million Development Bank of Jamaica grant to the LAMP program and the European Union Agriculture Ministry's Sugar Barracks relocation project.
Owning a piece of this rock will not only benefit you and your family, but will create a better community and ultimately a better Jamaica.
The National Land Titling Program has hit the ground running, issuing 63 certificates of possession at its recent launch. Beneficiaries came from Tower Hill, Seaward Pen, and Seaview Gardens in St. Andrew. Title holders now have the potential to boost their own economic and social development.
Let your registered title, let it work for you. We have placed the power in your hands to build your lives, build your communities, and by extension, to build our country.